Welcome back to another video. I'm Korenn Rachelle and I have two awesome vegan poke bowls that you are definitely going to want to try. Getting started, I have my tropical vegan lobster and scallop poke bowl. Absolutely delicious. Let's jump right in. So I'm getting started here with my mock scallops. The full recipe is in my ebook, but this is very simple. You basically just make a brine for your mock scallops, allow those to marinate overnight, and they're ready to go. Here I have some fresh red chilies, some freshly shaved radish. Of course, I have to have my avocado, some fresh kiwi, and some nice crispy Asian pears. Some fresh cilantro. And into a saute pan goes my mock scallops as well as some of my lobster mushrooms. And I saute this with some really delicious spicy chili oil, and I finish it with some sesame seeds. Into the bowl goes my rice. I top it with a bit of nori. Here's my poke bowl dressing. Then on top, I'm just going to arrange my ingredients. Very tropical, full of flavor, savory, sweet, salty, spicy. This recipe is a home run. Moving on to my second poke bowl is my spicy tuna poke bowl. This was really good and very easy to make. So getting started here, I'm gonna make my mock spicy tuna, and do not sleep on these tomatoes, I'm telling you. So I'm just going to seed the tomatoes as well as fillet them off of the skin, and then I'm going to get a dice out of my tomatoes. From here, I am making a marinade for my mock tuna. And I'm starting off with some sesame oil. I have some tamari as well as a sea seasoning mixed with sesame seeds. In goes my tomatoes. And I allow this to marinate overnight to get the best flavor. Don't worry about a tomato flavor. If you season your tomatoes right, you won't even recognize that they are tomatoes. Here I have some thinly sliced cucumbers, some chopped scallions, and of course, some more nori sheets. Into the bowl goes my sushi rice, and I did use brown sushi rice. Topping this with some of my fresh scallion. Right on top goes some nori as well as some more rice. And I did use some spicy mayo for this. Really easy recipe. It's only 3 ingredients. For the full recipe, be sure to click the link in the description box below. You will see it posted on my website. On top goes some fresh avocado. On goes my fresh cucumber slices. On top goes my mock tuna. Some more fresh scallion, a little bit of cilantro, and I'm going to drizzle a little bit more of my spicy mayo. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures. And check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.